Hi, my name is Simin. I'm an allergist and physician scientist at the University of Cincinnati and Cincinnati Children's. I study an allergic disease of the esophagus called eosinophilic esophagitis. It's food and antigen driven. This project focuses on the role of granzyme B in mast cells and other immune cells in eosinophilic esophagitis. Currently, my research team consists of me and a research scientist. My mentoring style is see one, do one, teach one, and I like to have regular meetings where we chat about your challenges, next steps, and help you achieve your goals. I'm looking for a mentee who is excited to learn and can commit 10 to 12 in person hours a week. We will be teaching you molecular biology techniques, including immunofluorescence and imaging and compiling those results so that you can hopefully present your findings at a poster session or in a manuscript or both. I am also excited to chat with anybody about medical school and being a scientist and a physician. I look forward to hearing from you.